Hey traders, let's start with the weekly video. I got back from Orlando to the office right now, and it's we got about 40 minutes left here before the close, so let's get to it and we can look at the markets here in real time. So Momo, sounds like a cow, right? Like moo moo. So Momo, China online dating website. We put this trade on for earnings, and you can see this chart was nothing special at all. In fact, I even had an alert at 13.98 here that I should probably take off. So Momo on earnings did really, to be honest, nothing. And we bought those weekly 14 strike calls. Those calls traded from about 52 cents down to, at one point, I believe like 50. Let me put it up here. From 52 cents at one point, like, of course, earnings, market makers going to, manipulate a stock. Sold off. Those calls traded down to like 20 cents. And now those bad boys are up for 3x, around $1.50 from about 50 cents. And Momo, as we spoke about, those China ADRs were hitting them over the past couple days. Another one was IQ. Took some profits in IQ already, and it just took Momo a couple days to wake up. So, I am not that trader who uses stop losses because I trade proper risk management, proper size, and it was a small position there, Momo. And if I would have used a stop loss, let's say I bought them at 50 cents and had a 50% stop loss at 25 cents, I would have got tagged on that quick little decline, where it sold off on earnings. Market makers would have hit my stop loss just to see the stock rally from, $1.50, 10% off that, low point right there. So that's why, again, I use proper risk management on my trades, especially if it's short-term options trading. This was, we put the position on Monday, and they expired on Friday. So, they expired in 5 days. So high risk, high reward, but a beautiful move. And the China ADR name Momo.